going on, guys? Got a washer that won't drain. Got the cover popped off, and when we put the washer right here, drain spin, you pull it out, nothing. Pump kicks on there, but there's no water draining, and it feels like there's something stuck here in this black drain hose there. So what we're going to do is vac the water out of the tub here. We're going to get all this water out of here, and then we'll pop off the drain hose there, and we'll see what's stuck in there. We got the big shop vac here ready to go. We'll get the water out and see what it is. Alright, we got all the water out, as you can see, and I got a couple rags laying down here because we're about to unhook the clamp off the drain hose, and I gotta have my vacuum ready, which I do, right here, ready to go. That way, as soon as I remove this clamp and pull this hose off the pump, I'm gonna get some water coming back, and then we'll see what's stuck inside the pump there. It's probably a sock or something along that line here. Find out here in a minute. So get this clamp off, see what it is. Alright, now we're gonna hit the vacuum here. There we go, there's our problem. We got a sock. There it is. I gotta pull that out. Probably gotta get some more water out of here. But there it is, the old Haynes. Alright, I'm gonna turn the vacuum back on one more time. Alright, so that was our problem. The sock right here, stuck in the drain pump. So now, got all the water vacuumed up, slid the drain hose back on the pump. Just going to tighten this clamp up, well, put it back in place, and then we'll fill the washer up and send it in the drain cycle. See if it drains. Alright, filling up. Wait till it fills up, and then when I go put it in drain, we'll be back. Send it to the drain and spin. Alright, there we go. Now we're draining. So the old sock stuck in the washer drain. Gonna snap the cover back on. Call this one good. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.